Hello, Achieve Chile once again here with you guys. Just a quick one. As you all know, today is Thursday, and every Thursday, every active member of LiveGood are getting paid. Now, today is 6th of April, okay? And this is the first week of April. So today we receive the weekly payment and the monthly payment. Now, I want to show us something about the monthly payment. Now when you click it, it will be open. Okay, now as you can see here, my metrics bonus is 547.50 cents. Why? Now everyone get paid depending on how your metrics is being filled up. Okay, now I got paid depending on how many people I have in my metrics, which is 547.50 cents. Now look at the matching bonus. Okay, the matching bonus, what I earn here is 2,629.17 cents. Now this one is the diamond pool, which is $9,247.93. So everything is 12,424.60 cents. That is for the monthly income. Guys, it is working. This is the best business on earth. Don't miss out.